Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Facebook ads, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you retarget website visitors with Facebook ads? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to retarget people who have visited your website? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it takes a lot of work to get somebody to your website, and if they don't buy or opt in, it's an opportunity for you to retarget them and bring them back into your sphere. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Facebook Ads Manager. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Ads Manager, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to retarget website visitors, you had to have already connected your Facebook or Meta pixel to your website. If you need help with that, go back and watch my other video that describes that in detail. But once you've done that, and if you want to go ahead and retarget visitors to your website, here in the Ads Manager, here on the left side, you're going to click on these three little people. It's called audiences. Once you do that, you're going to see all the different custom audiences you've built. However, you want to click on this button here, create audience, and you're going to see three options. Go ahead and click on custom audience. Okay, Facebook lets you target based off of all of these data sources. However, if you're looking to target or retarget your website visitors, click right here on website. Once you do that, click on next. All right, once you do that, it should say Facebook pixel. So that's where it's going to be pulling the data from. Next here on events, you can go ahead and choose all of your website visitors, or you can go ahead and choose visitors by time spent, or you can go ahead and choose a specific page, especially if you're doing something like cart abandonment. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to leave it on all website visitors. All right, once you do that, you can go ahead and choose the audience retention. So how long do you want these folks to stay inside of this retargeting audience? 180 days is the maximum, so I'm going to leave it at 180. And if you want, you can go ahead and include more or exclude people. So if you click on exclude, you can go ahead and exclude people who have visited a certain page. So maybe if they've already paid and checked out, you want to go ahead and exclude people who have hit that page. For me, I'm going to go ahead and leave that blank. Next, you're going to go ahead and name the audience. So retarget website visitors 180 days. Description, I'm not going to do that, or I might just go ahead and just paste this in again. And then you want to click on create audience. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that we've created this custom audience right here to retarget website visitors. So now when we go to create our ad set, we can go ahead and add this audience for retarget website visitors 180 days directly into the ad. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to retarget website visitors with your Facebook ads, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.